Do you have the passion to become a mobile engineer? Do you want to learn more on phone repairs? Or you want to learn how to solve simple phone problems on your own? Then this video is for you. Hello, this is Geo Global Concept, and as you all know, Geo Global Concept deals in training of individuals into deep mobile repairs. Now, this is a step-by-step guide on how you are going to apply for the online training. First of all, what you need to apply for the online training, there are various requirements which you need. First of all, you need a laptop and a phone. A laptop and a phone is what you need. You understand? So that laptop and phone gives you access to view my videos, give you access when I'm sending information to you. It also gives you access when accessing my website. So you need a laptop and you need a mobile phone. If you don't have a mobile phone, there's no problem. You can use your laptop. And if you don't have a laptop, don't worry. You can use your mobile phone, because I'm going to send everything to your mobile phone and equally to your laptops. So it depends which device you want to use to view it. Number 2 requirement you need a Gmail account. A Gmail account is compulsory for you to have in this online training. The Gmail account, that is where I'm going to send all the videos to you. That's where I'm going to send all the videos, where you can watch all the videos and my personal tutorials to you. So you need a Gmail account for this training. The other third thing you need a WhatsApp account. A WhatsApp account, it is a must for you to have a WhatsApp account for my training. The reason being that is where I will create a WhatsApp group for all of you. So through the WhatsApp group, you can ask me any question at all that is relating to the topic that I sent to your Gmail. So you're going to ask me any question. So it is via the WhatsApp medium I'm going to use to answer all your questions. And fourthly, you need a good internet. You need a good internet for this, because you are going to watch my videos, you are going to stream online, and you will see so many things. So you need a good internet. You need a good internet for this. The fifth thing you need a book and a pen, because while I send you those videos, you need a book and a pen with you, so that you can write and jot down some key points, so you can have a question to ask me. I will answer all your questions. All your questions, I'm going to answer them via the WhatsApp platform. So you need a book and a pen. So those are the requirements you need. Another thing which you have to know is the course outline. Let me quickly show you the course outline. These are the course outline on the screen. So you see from the beginning to the end, that is the course outline. All these things you see here, those are the things which you will do. So these are the things you will do. So those are the course outline on the screen. You can write them down. Those are the course outline. And also, what you stand to benefit from this training program. Actually, I've set up a website creation course for those who will apply online. Those who will apply online, I've set up a website creation course. Through this medium, you will learn how to create websites, you will learn how to host a website, and you will learn how to have your own domain name on your own. So creation of websites, I'm going to teach you that. Also, how to apply. Now, how do you need to apply for this? So first of all you need to do is log in into our website. You can see the link to our website. You can see the website. So all you need to do, log into the website and press this Get Started button. So you need to press the Get Started button. Once you press the Get Started button, it will take you to a payment gateway. It will take you to a Paystack payment gateway. Now, that Paystack payment gateway will have to transfer, and you will receive a notification telling you that your lecture will hold on the 8th. So also, that is how it is going to be done. That is how it is going to be done. So that is how to apply for it. And also, another way to apply for this program is that under the link, there's a description there. So there is a link under the description. You will see a link there. So it is a payment gateway. So click that link. Once you click the link below, it's going to take you to the payment gateway also. So that is how to apply for this online training. Also, you will see a notification in your Gmail account. You will see a notification on your Gmail account. Also, the price tag. Many people have been calling me, asking me, oh, what's the price? What's the price? Now, the price is very affordable, because in everything I'm going to teach you deep things. Now, normally I charge 30,000 naira for the online course, because I'm going to give you so many things. But because of this lockdown and because of so many things, and I have the passion to teach people, so I have break the price down to 5,500 naira. So with your 5,500 naira, you are eligible for this course. With your 5,500 naira, you are eligible for the course. So I've put it so very cheap for you so that you can afford the price. Press the bell notification button and the subscribe button together. Press the subscribe button and press the bell notification, so you can see all our videos. You can see all our upcoming videos and updates on our videos on how to fix phone. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.